Good morning and welcome to Wednesday's homework check. So like I said yesterday, all we are doing today is the converting measures. There's not really much calculation to go with it, much explanation to go with it. If you can work out the first lots of answers, then you can work out these as well. And like I said yesterday, if you need a little help with remembering how many grams are in a kilogram, how many centimeters are in how many millimeters are in a centimeter, etc., then that's something that you just need to practice, work on, practice memorizing. So for today, like yesterday, I've just put the answers up on the screen for you to check, so it will just be a quick check. So we've got 32 centimeters is the same as 320 millimeters. 21.7 kilograms is 21,700 grams. 286 milliliters is 0.286 liters. 4,309 milliliters is 4.309. 110 millimeters is 11 centimeters, and 92 centimeters is 0.92 meters. So again, work it out. Do you need to times, divide by 10, 100, 1,000 to get your answer? If there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, then we take this and we times it by 1,000 to get our answer. So hopefully those are all self-explanatory and you are happy and okay with those. For tomorrow, we're going to just finish this page off. So again, if you've done well the past couple of days, it should be easy for you to work out the final 6 questions. Again, if you need a little practice, then have a little practice, have a little research, ask somebody at home before you go on to do the other questions. If you need to, then write somewhere down on a piece of paper in your notebook what each measurement is equivalent to. So how many milliliters are there in a litre? And keep that somewhere safe, and then you can use that to work out all of the answers for any measurement questions. So for tomorrow, can you do question 13 to 18 for me? So finish off the page and then pop back tomorrow to check the answers and find out what homework is set next.